I'm Ian Davis. I'm a pediatric oncologist in the Division of Hematology Oncology in the Department of Pediatrics, and I both see patients in the hospital as well as run a lab here in the Lineberger Comprehensive Cancer Center.
0, 2, and 6 hours.
Our lab is considered a basic or translational lab, and what that means is that we're really interested in taking fundamental understanding of biological mechanisms and moving them into a clinical arena. We're on the early end of that, so we're really interested in how do you develop new therapies and how do you develop new diagnostics for childhood cancer in particular and human cancer more generally. One is a childhood cancer called Ewing sarcoma that's the second most common bone tumor in children. And this cancer is characterized by a specific molecular change that occurs in almost all the cancers, but that molecular change is not well understood. And so we've asked the question is how that molecular change turns genes on and off across the genome. And so we employ cutting-edge genomic technologies to be able to understand how that molecular switch goes awry in this cancer.
One of these cell types is a lymphoblastoid cell line, and all of the genes are ordered.
Being affiliated with North Carolina Children's Hospital offers us a number of advantages. Probably for us, the number one advantage is the ability to acquire primary human tumors, tissues from patients who we treat in our hospital. And that enables us to study them directly rather than to study something that's been cultured or we get from another location. It also enables us to go back and look at clinical records and to link together features of the tumor that we identify molecularly with treatments and treatment outcomes. For me, working directly with the children in North Carolina Children's Hospital offers the motivation and the encouragement for the work that we do here in the lab. Seeing those patients always reminds us of why we're doing this, and I try to communicate to the folks in my lab vignettes of the patients we take care of to relay what the parents tell me about how important our work is and why they want to support the work that we do here in the lab.